Sobrang ganda. The lighting is modern, the room is modern. It's good. I can't wait to go back. I promise to go back dito. Chasing dreams, no need to hush. Hello everyone, we are currently here at the executive lounge of M Gallery, the Silvery Hotel here at City Gates, Hong Kong. And we are doing another staycation, hotel room, hotel review, whatever you want to call it. You know the drill. It's time to check in. So if you're interested, join me in this staycation. I'll show you around, I'll tour you around, and I'll bring you with me during the experience. I'm so happy to be in this property. I've been wanting to stay here for so long and always happy to do an M Gallery staycation. So it's time to check in. Hello, we just checked in a new hotel and let's go check this one out. So when you enter, full body mirror as always. And then you have your mini bar. Look at that shower. And bathtub facing the pool. Oh wow. And then you have your TV. Look at that view. That's unbeatable. Lampshade. Yeah. The room is a bit small, pero it's so nice. It's so unique. I really like the M Gallery brand. They add something different to the room which makes it unique. No, it's a different experience staying in M Gallery. We have one in Manila. It's called Admiral Hotel. I also uploaded the vlog before featuring the suite of Admiral Hotel Manila, M Gallery. Now this is M Gallery, the Silvery Hotel in Hong Kong. And ang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda. The lighting is modern. The room is modern. It's compact though. Pero look at this one. Oh, so it's now almost 5 p.m. It's now time for the afternoon tea. So I'm going up now to the executive lounge. Yes, I do have an executive lounge access because this property is under Accor and I am a platinum member. So pinag-usapan na natin yan. So let's use the benefit. Okay, I'll see you upstairs for our evening cocktails. Okay, done with the evening cocktails. It lasted for around 3 hours. 2 hours lang talaga yung schedule. Pero I extended. And since Pinay nagsaserve, she kept on giving me alcohol. So medyo tipsy. And now I'm contemplating whether I wanna go out, I wanna walk, or just stay in this hotel. I've been out of the country for 3 days and nasa loob lang ako ng hotel. And ganun talaga pag nag-abroad ako, especially in Asia, or if napuntahan ko na dati, I just stay inside the hotel and then work here. But, sige, since connected naman tong hotel sa outlet, it's not like leaving the hotel din naman. So, let's walk for a little while and I'll show you around. By the way, this is the hotel lobby. And hindi ako dumaan dito kanina because from basement, kung saan bumaba yung shuttle, dumiretso ako sa executive lounge and doon ako nag-check-in. But this is the hotel lobby. mall, nasa third floor nitong hotel na to. So, let's now go there. I think it's directly connected. We'll see. We are here sa third floor. Hopefully it is. Oh, yes, it's the mall. Ayan na yung mall. So this is the City Outlet Mall. If you've ever been to the cable car here in Hong Kong, going to the Giant Buddha, dito yung located. So this is the City Mall Outlet. And why is everything closed at 8:30? May konting bukas pa naman. So I guess talaga if you want to try this hotel, 1 to 2 nights lang, and then you move to another hotel sa city. Like me, tomorrow, I'm checking out na rin because I have a conference sa city center. So, doon ako magsistay. Okay. Okay, so far nothing to see naman. It's just a mall or an outlet. Pero andito ako sa taas, sa food court. I'm not satisfied with my evening cocktails. So, naghanap akong dinner if meron akong gusto. But I don't know what I'm craving for. Minsan ganun eh. Parang hindi mo alam kung ano yung gusto mo kainin. So I'm just looking around. Pero alam nyo, share ko lang. I haven't spent a single penny since nag-out of the country ako. It's almost my 3rd day. And wala pa akong ginagastos. Kasi I just eat yung food sa executive lounge. So minsan sulit din talaga if meron kang access dun. Okay, so let's stop the pagpapanggap. We need the rice. So we're having pepper lunch for our second dinner. And sobrang bilis niya nagawa. Parang 2 minutes lang. Ready na yung order ko. No joke. Parang less than 2 minutes lang. Nagulat ako. I'm not sure why. Baka kasi nagpo-cook pa dito. So this is only 55 Hong Kong dollars. So pwede na. In general, kasi hindi ako mahilig sa Asian food kasi usually pork siya. So, nahihirapan din ako kumain pag nasa Asian country ako kasi almost lahat ng food nila merong pork. Then, ayoko rin yung mga masos or malasa or maraming seasoning. Perfect tong chicken ng pepper lunch. Init. Pero masarap. Okay, let's get some dessert. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, so turo-turo na lang. Pa-close na rin yung outlet since 9 p.m. na. Dito ko na-realize na sa Pinas talaga, medyo matagal din talaga yung mall operation hours natin. Medyo mas mahilig tayo magpuyat compared sa mga neighboring countries natin. Comment if you agree. So antayin ko lang yung drink ko, then siguro babalik na rin ako sa hotel. Or lakad-lakad siguro ako sa labas ng konti. Just to see kung anong meron sa area. Ito lang naman, parang gulaman. Pero alam niyo yung feeling na pag nasa Asian country, parang dapat gusto niyo bumili ng milk tea or bubble tea. Pero pag sa Pinas, di ka naman talaga umiinom nito. So, convenient lang talaga to na yung hotel connected dito sa mall. So, if gusto niyo mag-shopping, bili lang kayo, then akyat nyo ulit sa room, then bili lang kayo, then akyat nyo ulit sa room. So, the hotel is nasa side ng mga luxury brands dito sa mall. So, I'm going back na because meron akong work call ng 9:30. Sayang, late na naman tayo nakababa for tonight, kaya sarado na. So, no shopping for me. Balik lang tayo sa hotel now. So, this is the only way going to the hotel. We just have to ride the elevator again, going sa hotel. Switch up your mood, no need to be down. Give me a minute or two. Let me work a bit of my magic on you. I got some money I could. Okay, so let me just do my work call. And then let's go to the hotel bar. Let's claim some free drink. Again, pag Ecor member ka, you get free drinks pag nag-check-in ka. Which I rarely use kasi Meron naman lounge access. Okay, this is the wrong hallway. Pero ang ganda talaga ng hallway ng hotel na to. So nice and aesthetic. Wait, I'm lost. I think... Sorry, tama to. Nalito na ako. Okay, so now doing my nightcap, I'm just using the free drinks that comes with it. So, sobrang sulit talaga mag-member ng Accor kasi it comes with free drinks. Regardless of the status, kung silver ka or gold or platinum, you get free drinks pag nag-check-in. You can use the free drinks sa bar or any of the restaurants or outlets of the hotel. It usually comes with pika-pika rin. So, sobrang sulit. Relax sa bar after a long day. But technically, it's not a long day. I just stayed here sa hotel the entire day. By the way, I like this bar. Sobrang vibe ko to. It's modern and if magkakaroon ako ng bar o magtatayo ng bar, ganito yung dream bar ko. For chill lang talaga. I'm really liking this hotel by the way. Sobrang chill niya lang. So good place to relax. Let's call it a night. Time to sleep. The door is really heavy. Look at that lighting. Ang ganda talaga ng banyo. Okay, so I'll just take a shower and then prepare for bed. Okay, I just brushed my teeth and I'm about to sleep but look at this lighting. Grabe tong lighting na to. Parang gusto ko papalit yung sa condo ko. Anyways, it's around 3 AM already. I did some work. Medyo napagod ako. Nag-edit din ng vlogs. So, and we need to wake up early for breakfast tomorrow. So, let's call it a night. So, since walang turn down tong hotel na to, I'll be the one to do the turn down.
Somebody know me better. I thought that I would miss her more, but I wake up and I feel better.
Hello, good morning. I'm sad. The weather is so bad, so walang view, hindi makita yung mountain. And I wanted to go for a swim or jog this morning, kaya lang bad weather. And almost summer na dito sa Hong Kong. I think buong week ganito yung weather. So, it's blocking the view kasi dapat may mountain at saka bay view to eh. So, pupunta sana ako sa pool, kaya lang sobrang lakas ng ulan. Then, dumaan lang ako sa gym, yung nakita nyo dito sa video. So, mag-breakfast na lang muna. Okay. And, walang executive breakfast sa hotel na to. It means I have to eat sa breakfast buffet, not sa executive lounge.
The road ahead is steep and long, but in my heart
So they have a lot of food, but oh, there's chicken sausage. I like buffet pagka meron chicken sausage. Mostly Asian. So I think they have limited food pala, mostly Asian lang. And then less vegetarian options. But they have chicken sausage. At least I can eat sausage because I don't eat pork. Alam niyo na yun if you've been following me. So it's well presented. Kaya lang very basic lang. It's so cold today. I was expecting summer weather. Wala pa naman akong dalang jacket. More of mga polo lang. So, eat while waiting. Tastes so good. I'm actually not really hungry. Ang dami natin kinain sa lounge kagabi. Pero, again, you paid for it. Pero as a platinum member pala, per hour, free yung breakfast. So sometimes if hindi ako nag-vlog or nag-hotel review, I just skip breakfast. Tutulog na lang ako. Hello, so we just had breakfast and first time ko matry na pinaalis ako sa breakfast since 11 o'clock na. Up to 10:30 lang din naman kasi hindi pa ako tapos pero talaga sinabi sa akin na okay, you have to go. Anyways, hindi na umuulan so nandito tayo sa pool area which is parang direct access from my room. So pakita ko sa inyo tong pool area. So ito yung gym and then parang may walkway siya. Malamig ah. Sobrang lamig today. This is like the garden area with the view of the Hong Kong mountain. And this is the one going to the pool. Kailangan dumaan sa shower, mababasa. See, it's so nice. It's so luxurious. Ang ganda, di ba? Like, for a Hong Kong property na merong ganito kalaki na pool. Sayang, it's so cold. But, you know, maybe next time, we'll be able to try a deeper. I would love to stay here again pag medyo maaraw na. Kasi iba talaga eh. With the view of the mountain and the bay, mas sulit talaga if maaraw siya. Okay, so heated pala yung pool. And we have to pass by here again. Oh, sorry, got wet. Hello, since ang lamig sa labas and hindi tayo makaswimming, dito na lang tayo sa bathtub. So I'm filling up the tub now. And grabe, bathtub with a view, it's priceless. It's everything. And medyo mas maganda na yung weather compared kanina. So tignan nyo. Look at that view. Okay, so let's do this bathtub. And for us to make the bathtub bubble, we need to pump the body wash in the running faucet. So, I'm now ready to check out. Grabe, ang bilis. Parang hindi ko masyadong nasulit tong room. But yeah, all good. I'm about to go. Thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this staycation. I need to go to my conference now. So medyo short lang tong vlog na to. But this is a really good hotel. No? I highly recommend this one. Though malayo siya sa city center, but the experience, yung staycation, I was really relaxed. And grabe din talaga yung shower. Sobrang therapeutic niya. And talagang 100 over 10 tong hotel na to. Like, everything I like about a hotel room andito, like even the service, grabe. Even the food, it's good. I can't wait to go back. I promise to go back dito. Babalik ako dito kasi sobrang high quality talaga ng hotel na to. You get what you pay for. I mean, you get more than what you pay for, and you rarely see hotels like that this day. So, anyways, thank you for watching this staycation. Thank you for joining me again during my solo staycation. If you like more content like this, please let me know. Comment it down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and keep in touch with me on my social media accounts. I'll see you next time. Till our next staycation, it's time to check out.